Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a little haul for you because I got this from Amazon and I received an order from Etsy today, and yesterday, well, when you're going to see this video, probably a couple of days ago, I went to an antique mall in our area that I've never been to, and I want to show you what I found. So first I want to show this. I'm sure everybody can read this. This is rice paper, and I am in a Facebook group, and some lady had shown or mentioned that she printed some digital kits on rice paper, and I wanted to give it a try, so I ordered this and I got it today, and I just printed something. And just like when I print on tissue paper or vellum, I put my paper onto a thicker paper to get it through the printer, because my printer will not pull in the really thin paper. So what I did, I just taped it on here, and that it printed on this lovely paper. So it's very similar to my tissue paper, but it's still different. And you can see it really nice on the back too. I actually printed on the page that's more, I don't know, there's like two different pages. This is more like rough, and this is more slick, I guess. Feels really nice, and it's perfect. Like, it came out really nice. I don't know if you can see this. Let's put it on white. So yeah, definitely gonna use this to print papers for collaging or decoupaging, because it's beautiful. Let's see if you can actually see through it. Let's just put this under it. Let's pretend this is a tag. So you can see a little bit through it, depending on what your image is. I'm sure if it's a really dark image, you won't see through as much as like when it's white. So here you can see through this. So I'm gonna use this this piece probably to make tags or journaling cards for my spring themed tissue box journal. Yeah, so I'm very impressed with this rice paper. So yay! Oops. And it's all in Japanese, and my guess is this is used for calligraphy, and it comes with 8 sheets. So, and this is, I think it's like A4, because it's bigger than a letter size. Actually, no, it's not A4. It's bigger than that because it's also wider than a letter size. So yeah, plenty of paper, and I'm excited to use some more. Okay, next is my little haul from the antique mall. When I went in there for the very first time, I thought I was in heaven, because they have so many vendors, and the first one I saw already had so many cool things. So I got a bunch of kids books, and they were all $1. And the same vendor booth had some other kids books that were a little more, I think maybe $5 to $8, but these were only $1 because they're like not in too good of condition, but they're still perfect, I think, especially for what I'm going to use them for. I'm just going to take them apart and use them in my journal. So I thought these are really nice illustrations. Did I just see this picture? Oh no. Oh yeah. The crow's in there. So this one is called Hello Joe, and it is from 1959. Yeah, so I thought that was cute. This one I love. It has some pencil all over it, and it has like torn out pages. However, again, I don't really care because I'm gonna take it apart anyway. And this is Why don't they tell me? Hold on, I gotta look this up. Okay, so this is from 1955. They just have the copyright, they have Roman numbers, and I'm a little rusty when it comes to Roman numbers, so I just had to look it up online. Yeah, anyway, I can still use this image, and it's like super old tape. However, oopsies. There's still lots of images that I can use in the text, so I'm not too worried about it. Aren't these beautiful? I love this. For $1, I couldn't just leave it there. I had to get those. I love 50s kids books. Look at that face of that car. Yeah, and then I got this one. And it's just the alphabet book. Oopsies. And this is copyright. Oh, again? Okay, let me see. MC MXL. Oh my gosh. MZ MXL. Where did you go? We go 1944. Nice. I love this. It's so pretty, and lots of illustrations and different words. Oh wow, colored. I didn't even see this one. So yeah, these are really, oh, isn't this cute? It reminds me of the Morton Salt girl. Huh. Pretty. Yeah, $1. And then I got some others, other things, but I already packaged them up and mailed them to Donna because I wanted to share my finds with Donna. So maybe if she does a unboxing of my stuff that I sent her, maybe you'll see it there. Okay, and then I found one booth that had a whole bunch of old magazines, and I got one of these. There were a ton of them, and I think they were $3 or $5. I think they were. Let me take this off. I don't remember. I think it was $3, even if it was $5. I think it was really good. So this is a Science and Mechanics magazine from August 1956, and there's lots of ads, and look at the nice yellow paper. And there's just a whole bunch of tips and things. Just cool stuff. I love those pages. Articles, advertisements. Can you design a better car? Yeah. So I love these. These are just awesome. And there was actually a page, how to build a shooting stand, like really easy, that you can take with you. My husband was like, leave me that page, or save that page for me. So I took it out and left it for him. Oop. Lawnmower sharpener. Yeah, so that one, I think it was $3. And then this one is like a radio, kind of Radio Shack, but it's a catalog from 1958, and you can order you could order all these radios and things way back when. And there's some order forms in here, and just cool stuff. Nice record players. My dad would have liked this. I should have shown it to him because my dad was into ham radio for the longest time. So, and this is like, they have a lot of ham radio stuff in here too. And then they have like this envelope. Yeah, I can't even open this anymore. And then old order forms. So cool. Remember when you couldn't order anything online, you had to do everything in the mail. Yeah, I think this one was $5. Very neat. And I love this cover. That's why they had some others too, but I love this cover the best because it's blue. So I took that. And then I got this magazine. It's called True Story, and it is from, what year was this from? Let's see. November 1936. And this was $3 because they had a whole rack of magazines and they were all $3. So I had to buy this. And I think it's awesome. And then they have like stories in here. I married for money. I haven't read all the stories. The hell we went through. Yeah, anyway, so my father's wife. All kinds of cool stuff, and then advertisements, raspberry jello. Oh, nice car. I love old stuff. Okay, and then the last thing is this really cool Boston Journal of Chemistry from 1872, and it was also $3. There were a ton of those, and it's really, I don't know, I love this paper. It's really neat, and it's so old. It's like almost 150 years. It's 149 years old. Can you believe this? I think it's so cool. I just love the fact that this was made almost 150 years ago, and someone held it and used it and read it, and it was like you would get a catalog or a magazine these days, but way back when. And it's just the history. How many people have touched this that lived 150 years ago? I don't know. Devoted to the science of home life, the arts, agriculture, and medicine. So yeah. Oh wow, it was bound with string. Neat. Very interesting things. Sugar-coated Cincho quinine pills. Interesting. Animal dust. Cod liver oil yuckies. Yeah. Okay, so that was my treasure. And they had so many awesome things. Some really expensive stuff, but then some other vendors had similar stuff and it was a lot less, so I shopped around. Okay. And then the last thing was an Etsy order that I got, and I haven't even opened it yet. Hold on. Oh. Okay, this was like an extra, and I can link the shop in the description below because I don't remember it. So let's look at those extras first. Ooh, bling, washi tape, some very bright handmade tags. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a nice tag. And then some embossed piece of paper. Okay, let's stick this back in here. That was very sweet. Okay, I've mentioned before that I am planning on making a blue themed journal, and so I saw this embellishment box on Etsy, and it's like all blue and gold, which is perfect for my journal because my fabric is like blue and gold. This is gonna be my, well, not really gold, but this is gonna be my journal cover. So I think it's gonna go well with this. Okay, let's see if I can actually organize this. And she has some other embellishment boxes. I used to make those too and swap them in different Facebook groups. So they're a lot of fun. I never thought of selling them though. Okay, let's see. First we got a whole bunch of these lovely tags. These are pretty. Yellow, tiny beige tag. Oh, that's where they came from. And then some black ones. Am I actually in the frame? Yes, I am. Little paper clip, not paper clips, clothespins. And here she put some washi on there. That's a cute idea. If you have thin washi, oh yeah, I got lots of thin washi tape, so I can. That's a good way to use it. Then we have lots of lace. Ooh, tiny. That's pretty. And then we got black. Oh, lovely. I hardly ever use black lace. I have some too, but I never use it. And yellow. It's nice for like an Easter journal, I think. Light blue. Oh, I like this. Isn't that pretty? And then a dark blue. Ooh, beautiful. Okay. Let's see if I can fit all these back in here. If I remember how they were in there. Yeah. And then a lot of washi. Oh, I love this gold. Oh, beautiful color. Oh, this is beautiful too. They're all pretty. So yay for more washi. And then here's a whole bunch of different ribbons. I'm not gonna pull them all out, but got some silver and then some shiny white, silver, gold. And then here she made some flowers, I guess. They're die cuts and then they're pearl or wooden pearl in the center. Very nice. Oh, and here are the paper. She used 2 layers of paper. So these are cool. And there's a ton more. Wow. And I'm excited about these. Look at those. Are these beautiful? They're cool. Guess she made those. That's neat. Oh wow, I love these. These are like round tags with like a shiny metal kind of border. So these are great. Come on, go back in there. And these, wow, I think these are made from crepe paper, no? Some? I don't know, it's like, oh, maybe tissue paper. Yeah, it's tissue paper. Very cool. Yep, and there's, wow, look at all these little tags. That's awesome. So yeah, I had this in my shopping cart for quite a while, and then she had a little sale, and I was like, I'm gonna buy it now. So, yay! I love it. I think it's awesome. I gotta put this in the trash without making a mess in my floor. All these crinkles. So yeah, that's my haul. Unfortunately, the antique stuff, it's like you'll never find the same stuff probably in stores near you, but I'm sure you'll find lots of other great things. Oopsies. And then what else? I'm gonna link her in the description below. And yeah, so I'm gonna go back to my crafty project, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.